Namaste friends, thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is on dead bug. Dead bug is great for helping you build core strength and strengthening the muscles that stabilize your spine. There's different levels of dead bug. You can do no movement at all or very, very small movements or even very big movements based on the strength that you have in your core. One thing you want to remember is keep your lower back on the mat, and you're only moving one arm and one leg at a time. They move in opposite directions. So when you're moving your right arm, you're moving your left leg away from each other. The other limbs stay in place as best as you can. So let me demonstrate what I mean here. My little buddy cat's not feeling well today, so he's kind of clingy, but full of love. Okay, so I'm on the back. I'm going to bring my lower back to the mat. Core is engaged. Knees above the hips, shins parallel to the floor, arms straight up. Now, just holding this position for many people is work enough. But if you're not working in this position, then you can extend one leg and one arm. Notice how to stay still, to move, to stay still. And then you come back to start. And then do the others. And come back to start. Okay, now if you're really strong, you could do a bigger movement and take them lower. But you got to keep that lower back on the mat. And try really hard not to move anything but one arm and one leg at a time. So I suggest that you do 3 sets of 10 and work up to 3 sets of 12 and maybe even keep doing more and more. And you could do these every day. Now, if you don't have time to do them every day, that's okay. Just do what you can. Between the sets, give your tummy a little bit of time to relax, okay? And that's really going to help you build core strength, which is important not only for yoga, but in life, because core strength does help you protect your lower back, and it helps you in lifting and just functioning, okay? So give it a try. And remember, if this position right here is giving you a challenge, then feel free to just stay here. Hold this for, maybe 30 seconds. I don't know, just wherever you need to start there. Okay. Again, thank you for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need any other videos. Just comment below, and also feel free to subscribe. See ya.